Rana Naeem. He is Assistant Registrar Legal at Muhammad Nawaz Sharif Agriculture University, Multan, and he will have a very quick introduction of our today's speaker. Naeem, please.
Thank you. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Maulana Muhammad al-Nabi al-Ummi wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa barik wa sallim. Ladies and gentlemen, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Dr. Naeem Tur. तो बात तो कुछ नहीं मगर अंदाज़े बयां बात बदल देता है। और किसी ने क्या खूब कहा कि रोको मत जाने दो, रोको मत जाने दो। और द साइमल्टेनियसली के तौबा तौबा शराब से तौबा, तौबा तौबा शराब से तौबा। So no, these are the actions and the words that simultaneously we are speaking, and things got changed. So I was lucky enough to represent Pakistan at USIP headquarters, United States Institute of Peace, Washington DC. Way back 2014, and I was honored to meet a fellow of mine, Professor Wali Ghaib Mutazammil. So it was by chance meeting, and Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, it took like 10 or 12 years. So we have been in contact, and I try my level best that the Professor Wali should be here in Pakistan. But you know, there are so many things, ebb and flow to get it done. Professor Dr. Zulfikar Sahab, he was Director ORIC at MNS University of Agriculture. I tried my level best and left no stone unturned that Professor should be here at MNS University of Agriculture, but that dream was not possible. So finally, I'm very much happy. The last year he visited to me and my family, that is his extended family in Pakistan. He came here and have been with us at my hometown, Lodhna. And I was very much to be the host of Professor, and this year again he is here with us. And above all, he is from United States, but he is from the clan of Master Bilal Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. So I am still his mentee. I am still seeking and learning by taking a baby step and a baby step, and still I am thirsty. Like Sayyid Saab was saying, and Dr. Imran was saying about Professor Wali Ghaib Mutazammil Sahib, that he is a voracious traveler, no doubt. He is a voracious speaker, no doubt. We have a ceremony at my hometown on the same subject, stay healthy at any age. So the given time was, to the professor was like 5 to 10 minutes. So the main speech, he was done within 51 seconds. And the crux of that speech was, do you know what? If your brain is healthy, your body is healthy. So again, hats off to one and only, the masters of the masters, the pedagogue of the pedagogues, the researcher of the researcher, and the mentors of the mentors, the one who is not present here, Professor Dr. Zulfikar Ali Sahab. I am very much thankful that he made it possible, but now he is not present here. And thank you to the team, Dr. Kashif Sahab, Faisal Bhai, Director ORIC, particularly Registrar Sahab, and the whole team. They made it possible. So, Dr. Zulfikar Ali Sahab के लिए एक शेर कहना चाहूँगा कि गर शोले को शबनम कहना मुश्किल है, गर शोले को शबनम कहना मुश्किल है, तो फिर तेरा इस शहर में रहना मुश्किल है, और तुझको भूलूं कोशिश करके देखूंगा, वैसे दरिया उल्टा बहना मुश्किल है. So, I am honored to hand over the stage to Dr. Kashif Salim. Either I should invite, this. Thank you.